Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to create this patio gazebo. Now we're gonna continue working on this. I want to start on level 2 now. So click on level 2, save your project first. And then if you want, we could delete this now. We don't need the sections anymore. And then as you can see on level 2, the underlay is, we have our underlays on. We have it on base level, but we're going to use that first. Because what we're going to do is we're going to add our exterior wall first, and then our interior walls. And then after that, we're going to hide some of this, or we're going to hide the underlay so that it doesn't show. As at the moment, it's going to be confusing because we have everything right now. So now what I'm going to do is, so now select here and then CS. So that's create similar. So what I want to do is to basically create everything. So here we start at B. So this is the one that we added. So we're going to go after B3, and then after that we're going down C3, and then go to C4 or C5, and then basically just copying this. So we go to E, and then here we have this one, and then we might pull this one all the way back because we're going to add in, so we're going to add in a balcony on our bedroom, so we might extend that later on. So here we're just copying everything and then go to finish right here. So we have our exterior wall. Now we're gonna do our interior wall, so we could just select this one, CS, and then from here we start by connecting this wall right here and then connecting it all the way right here. And then here we could close this off. So we close this off, we close this off by just using the line. So this is grid line number 4, and then we have a grid line number 5 right here that we're going to extend as well. And actually we need to push this back all the way right here to this grid line. So this is grid line number 4 as well. So this one, and then this one should be connected right here. And then closing this off. And then here we need to close this off as well. So this is basically, we have a space right here that is open below. So now we're going to close this off, and then later we're gonna remove this and then we could put in a railing here so that it's we could see it from here. After that, CS on this, and then we could close this off now. So put a wall right here, and then wall right about here, and then close this off. So this one we could align it AL, and then align it from here. So hopefully you guys can follow. We could just basically delete this now, and then what we could do is we could add in the floor so that we know everything that we need to add. And then after this, close this off again. And then this is already closed off. And then here we have 2 bedrooms right here. So you just need to add a wall there. And then obviously we have a big room right here. We're gonna close it off on this grid line. So that is number 2 grid line. And then this is basically, we divide this 2, and this will be for our washroom, our ensuite, and this is for our walk-in closet, and this will be our main or master's bedroom right here. This is another bedroom number 1 with its washroom, and then this 2 bedroom will have its shared bathroom right here. So if we remove our underlay to put it to none, it will look like this. So now what I want to do is to add in a floor so that we can see much better. So I'm gonna click on architecture, click on floor, and then edit type, duplicate, and then click on OK, edit, and then here we need to change this to gypsum wallboard. And then after that, we click on pick line, and we pick everything right here. And then obviously we don't need this part. And also the one right here for the, so there's a lot of cleaning to do. And then here would be our one as well. So TR, trim and extend right here. We don't need it right here. Unjoin element. And then we could trim and extend right here. I believe this is good. If not, Revit will let us know anyway, so we just need to have this one open, connect all of this, This is right here, and then we have also somewhere here. So this is open and this should be open as well. So that's the trick that we have right here. What we can also do is to create a shaft instead, so that we don't need to worry about anything like this. But I know that we need this one to go all the way. So let's see this. Let's continue, trim and extend right here, unjoin, and then we need something right here. And then trim and extend. Obviously, we need to review everything, it's kind of confusing. Don't attach. Let's look at it at 3D first and see how it looks. So this is both open and then open right here. So I think we did it correctly. So I'm gonna click on save first and let's continue. And then now, when you're seeing this, what you need to do is select that, click right here, attach top base, and then here it will disappear like that. So just do it with some of this, and you'll be able to remove those overlapping walls. And then after that, what we could do is we could click on modify and then paint, and then we need to choose one wood right here. I'm going to use teak, and then as you can see, that looks really good. And then after that, we need to add a glass right here and also a glass right about here. So let's go to level 2, and then here click wall, and then we're gonna use curtain wall. We're gonna add a curtain wall right here, flip it on the other side so that it looks like it's connected right here. Something like that. And then another one, connected right here. And then if we check it out, it will look like that. And obviously we need to pull it down to our height, so around 900 is good enough. So negative 2100. And then let's do the same thing right here, align it, and then do it right here. So it will look like that, and everything lines up properly. And then let's make sure there's no gap there, and then push it all the way right here. I think that's good enough. And if we check it, that looks like that. So I'm happy. And then here we just need to do the same thing, just checking if there is an overlay there. So now let's go back to level 2, and one thing we could do is we could put back the underlay. So let's put down level 1 underlay again. It's because one of the reason that we could do that, we should do that is we have the doors already added, and also the bed. So if we do this, CS, and then flip it right here, we'll be able to add the beds right away. So we could add it right here, and also some of this one. So CS on that. So it's easier to just add everything, and then it will basically copy the height as well. So you don't need to put it or put the elevation there. It will copy the elevation. The only thing that it will change is the schedule. So basically it will be placed on the level 2. This one is from level 1. It's because you're in level 2, that's why it recognized that it will be placed at this level. So here, even this one, let's add it right here. Even the sink, let's put this back on this spot, and then we're going to add in the shower right here. And then we have the shower already here, so CS on that, place it back right there, and then right here, because it's basically the same size. And as you can see, we have enough room to add there. And then now here we have 750. Let's do the same thing. So let's add it for the washrooms, and for the rooms, that's 850 by 2000, CS on that, and let's add it on the rooms right here, and then here as well, and then on this side. So this is how fast you can add it, because we're using the underlay, and then we're using create similar, and then just like that we have everything already have it right here. And though we just need to keep on placing everything, and then now I think we have everything that we need to add. So now we could just put on none, and then now we just need to clean this up. So CS on this, because the other one is over the wall. We could copy this and then add it right here, and then here we could push this all the way right here, and then copy this again and push this one all the way right here on this side. I think it's better if we push it all the way there, and then we could add in the closet right about here, closet right here, and then we should add this one right here as well, and then this one. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.